Hi guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and thank you for visiting my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a grain-free bread for you. Yes, you heard it right, it's grain-free. Let's go and see the ingredients. First, 4 whole egg yolk, 6 egg whites, half cup lukewarm water, cream of tartar, 2 tablespoons sunflower seeds, psyllium husk, flaxseed powder, baking powder, Himalayan salt, sesame oil, amul ghee. In a bowl, first take 4 whole egg yolks. To that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of amul ghee, and half cup lukewarm water. I'm going to mix the whole thing. In a bowl, take 6 egg whites and half tablespoon of cream of tartar. Now we're going to whisk the same really well. First, in a bowl, take 6 tablespoons of isabgol, to that we're going to add rock salt, baking powder, lastly flaxseed powder. That's about 2.5 tablespoons. Now we're going to mix this really well. To this we're going to add our mixture. That's the egg yolk mixture. To this I'm going to add my egg white mixture. And lastly I'm going to add some sunflower seeds to it and mix it well. So now in a baking dish, I'm going to put the same bread mixture and we're going to bake the same at 180 degrees Celsius for the next 60 minutes. And now we're going to bake the same for the next 60 minutes. Our grain-free bread is ready. So our grain-free bread is ready. You saw it's super easy, super delicious. You can bake your own grain-free bread at home. It's loaded with high fiber, it's extremely low in calories and super delicious. So please try the recipe and give me the comments below and let me know how did you like the same. Request you to please subscribe our channel, hit that bell button so that you get information on all our videos. We do videos on Train to Look Good, Maahek for Pilates, nutrition and a lot of information videos. That means everything you need about fitness on one platform, that's BodyProCoach. Thank you so much. This is Maahek signing off.